Welcome to a world of timeless elegance and modern sophistication. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through breathtaking mid-century modern designs, showcasing stunning architecture and luxurious interiors that redefine contemporary living. From bold geometric forms to seamless indoor-outdoor integration, each space is thoughtfully crafted to inspire and delight. We'll start with the exterior, a marvel of clean lines, open layouts, and natural materials that blend harmoniously with their surroundings. Picture yourself standing before a home that feels both futuristic and inviting, where every element reflects the spirit of mid-century modern innovation. So let's dive in and discover the art of architecture that paves the way for the beauty within. Step into living spaces that perfectly balance comfort and style. These inviting mid-century modern living rooms feature sunlit interiors with floor-to-ceiling windows that bring the outdoors inside. Picture plush, low-profile sofas, geometric rugs, and warm wood accents that create a cozy yet chic vibe. Whether it's a sleek fireplace or an iconic Eames chair, every detail invites you to unwind in elegance. Bask in the natural light or lose yourself in the interplay of vibrant patterns and earthy tones. It's the perfect place to relax, recharge, and indulge in modern luxury. Feast your eyes on kitchens that are as stylish as they are functional. These mid-century modern kitchens combine sleek wooden cabinetry with bold pops of color and patterned backsplashes. Picture streamlined countertops, elegant brass fixtures, and spacious islands that invite culinary creativity. Each space blends vintage charm with contemporary sophistication, making it the true heart of the home. The natural light pouring through expansive windows enhances the vibrant atmosphere, while smart layouts make cooking a breeze. Prepare to fall in love with kitchens that are designed to inspire and impress. Discover bedrooms where tranquility meets timeless design. These serene mid-century modern retreats feature minimalist aesthetics with rich wood tones and plush textures. Imagine waking up in a low-profile bed framed by large glass windows that let in soft, natural light. From bold headboards to cozy rugs, every element is designed to soothe and inspire. The clean lines and earthy tones create a calming ambiance, making it the ultimate sanctuary for rest and relaxation. Step inside and let these dream-worthy designs transport you to your happy place. Step into bathrooms that redefine modern luxury. These mid-century modern oases feature freestanding tubs, floating vanities, and elegant terrazzo flooring. Imagine starting your day surrounded by sleek brass fixtures, bold, geometric tiles, and the glow of soft, natural light. The minimalist designs offer both beauty and function, creating a space that feels like your personal spa. Whether it's a quick morning refresh or a relaxing evening soak, these bathrooms promise a rejuvenating experience. Get ready to indulge in designs that make everyday routines extraordinary. Gather around dining spaces that bring people together in style. These charming mid-century modern dining areas feature sleek walnut tables, retro-inspired chairs, and bold pendant lighting. Imagine sharing meals in a space that feels both cozy and sophisticated, with clean lines and pops of vibrant color. From intimate nooks to open-concept layouts, every detail is thoughtfully curated to enhance the dining experience. The interplay of textures and materials creates an inviting atmosphere that's perfect for casual brunches or elegant dinners. Let's explore the heart of modern hospitality. Step outside and embrace the beauty of open-air living. These stunning mid-century modern outdoor spaces feature sleek patios, geometric pools, and minimalist landscaping. Imagine lounging by a fire pit surrounded by gravel and succulents, or enjoying dinner under a stylish wooden pergola. The seamless blend of indoor and outdoor design extends the home's elegance into nature. Every space is designed for relaxation, entertainment, and connection with the great outdoors. Let's explore how these spaces bring modern luxury to life under the open sky.